So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, YouTube family. Guys, we are back yet with another one. And today I'm coming to you with a tropical wine. This one has been a long time coming on the channel. I've been just waiting to pick the right fruits in the right time. Of course, a summer blend. But just to give you a little feedback, a fruit or tropical, whatever you want to say, fruit punch is basically 2 or more fruits combined and you get a punch. And also you can combine any fruit you like. It don't matter, like I said, 2 or more, so you can do 3, 4, 5 fruit blends or whatever. And usually it tends to be I believe, if corrected, a tropical blend usually contains, let's see if I can get this right without looking at nothing, apple, pineapple, cherry, orange, guava, passion fruit, and what else we have missing? It's one more fruit, guys. I just can't think of it off head, but that usually makes up a tropical blend. But anyway, dang, I just hate when you lose train of thought. Oh, okay. The other thing I wanted to go over is when I was talking to you guys once before about a fruit punch blend on my last video, so please make sure to check it out, how to make soursop wine. A lot of your fruit juices tend to contain artificial flavors, like some of the fruit juices that you get from the store. I don't mean to keep punching on Hawaiian punch. Yeah, okay, yeah, I know that was bad, but anyway, it's made with a lot of fructose corn syrup, and also it's made with red dye 40, and the flavors up in there is like artificial, which artificial flavors a lot of time come from animals or animal glands or whatever you
emotional, damn it.
You want to say. You can look up, do all that research. So that's why some people tend to not buy fruit punch or fruit drinks or anything like that, because it's not always what you think it is. So you can take the time and pick you up some fruits and do your own fruit blend at home to make some of these punches, fruit juices, or anything. But it's up to you. I mean, it could wind up being more expensive in the long run, but it can also be more healthier in the long run. So it's up to you how you look at these things. But anyways, the fruit blend that I'm using today, and before y'all sit there and say, well, what that is in the middle. Okay, guys, this is a Gidry's container that I have the fruits in, but I'm recycling. And for those who don't know who Gidry's is a Creole seasoning blend of the Holy Trinity. that we do out here up in Louisiana with onions, celery, and green bell peppers. But anyway, this has been washed, and the fruit that I'm about to mention as we go over the ingredients is up in this container. But today we are using 1 pound of mangoes, 1 pound of bananas, half a pound of pineapples and strawberries. So it comes up to 1 pound total. And we're also using 1 pound of guavas. For our tannin today, we are using some black tea. Our acid will be some lemon juice, which would be half an ounce of lemon juice, and we are using 1/4 teaspoon of our Lavin Q823 yeast. And also in the back we have our 1 gallon of water. And even though it's about half a gallon through Movie Magic, it's going to be a gallon by the time I finish. And we also have the usual suspects of equipment in the back. I do have the airlock and bung. I was just sanitizing it. I didn't get a chance to put it in. And our pot that's sitting over there. But guys, basically what I'm going to do, since all of this is basically cut up already, the only thing I have to cut up is this, cut this up, and that's going to be up in the process. But I just wanted to show you, because usually I'm cutting up stuff or whatever like that, but you won't see me cut the guava up. Like I said, that's going to be through Movie Magic that we get this situated. But anyway, guys, enough of all the talking, jibber jabber, whatever you want to say. Let's get to this tropical wine video. Don't judge me. I did forget the sugar. But anyways, we're using 2 pounds of sugar altogether in total, but we're using raw cane sugar, which you can see on the top, and at the bottom we are using white sugar. Okay, back to the process. Okay guys, so for this one, we're gonna go ahead and take our tea out, and our fruits right here in the background, they're still a little bit frozen, So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut this on to medium heat, and we're gonna simmer our fruits for 20 minutes. And then we're gonna allow that to cool down to a pitching temperature. So that way we can go ahead and add our yeast. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add our guava. Once again, 1 pound. We're gonna go ahead and add our banana, 1 pound. We're gonna go ahead and add our pineapples and strawberry, which is 1/2 pound each. And we're going to go ahead and add our final fruits, which is our mango, which is 1 pound. And guys, if you can smell this right now, whoo, Lord have mercy. This smells good. And this is going to taste good. Back to the process. Okay, so guys, I went ahead and strained the fruit that was up in here and went ahead and got our juice, topped it off with water. So as you can see, we're a little bit above that 128, and I know you guys can't see this, but it actually came out at a respectable 1.080 for our OG reading. But I tasted this, guys, and Lord, like I said, if you don't want to make the wine, you can take and just make the juice. And as far as the sugar, I mean, for me, it's fine, even with the 2 pounds of sugar, but you can do 1.5 pounds or go down to 1 pound per gallon. You know, it's all up to you as far as sweetness or your sweetness level or whatever. But as far as right now, guys, this is so good. But you see, we have this nice, pretty reddish peach pink color, which obviously came from the strawberry and the mangoes and stuff. And once again, that smell, I wish you guys could smell this. That smell is so good. But as always, we're almost done. We're gonna go ahead and pour this into our carboy in the back, throw a little yeast up in there, seal it up, and that's it. And we're done. Finito, finished. Until next time.